Hi, my name is Danny Elliott. I'm the technical product owner for connectors at IBM Security, and I'm also a maintainer on the STIX-shifter project. And I'm just going to give a quick highlight of this project. So STIX-shifter is based around the STIX standard, which stands for Structured Threat Information Expression. It's a JSON structure used to exchange threat intelligence. STIX-shifter itself is an open source project that's part of the Open Cybersecurity Alliance. It's a Python library that allows for software to connect and query data repositories, and includes connectors for several security products already. And the way STIX-shifter works is it translates a STIX pattern, like you see here, into a native data source query. The native data source query gets sent to the data source via its APIs. The results are fetched with the APIs, and then the results are translated into a bundle of STIX observations. And here you can see a sample bundle of STIX 2.0 results. And inside the bundle, there are several STIX objects. The first here is an identity object, which represents the data source that the data is coming from. And then there's an observed data object, which contains all of the findings from the native data source query and the results that came back. So in this example, you can see network traffic, IPv4 address, and whatnot. And these objects are part of the STIX standard as cyber observable objects. And so the reason you want to use STIX-shifter is it allows you to query multiple security products using this common patterning language and getting the results back in this unified STIX format, which is an open standard. It reduces the need for jumping across multiple security products when you're threat hunting, which simplifies things, and then it's open source. So anyone can add a new connector if there's one missing for a desired security product. STIX-shifter is part of the Open Cybersecurity Alliance. The OCA is an open ecosystem where cybersecurity products can interoperate without the need of custom integrations. The STIX-shifter project, it joined the OCA in 2019 as one of the very first projects. The OCA itself, it's an OASIS open project, which welcomes participation from anyone, whether they're affiliated with OASIS or not. The most recent work that's gone into STIX-shifter has been adding support for STIX 2.1, which allows for more concise cyber observable results in the STIX objects. There's currently over 26 data source connectors as part of the project right now. We're always looking to expand that, of course. Some of the recent additions include Reacta, Darktrace, Sentinel-1, Infoblox, and Palo Alto Cortex. And just wrapping up, here's a list of resources. There's a link to the STIX-shifter project, the OCA, and then all of our developer documentation, which will take you through step by step on how to build out your own connector.